dress up. To dress up. ¿Qué quiere decir? It means to wear formal clothes. To dress very nicely. The first example would be, we should definitely dress up to go to the graduation party. No es solo vestirse. Creo que sería como vestirse de manera formal. We should definitely dress up to go to the graduation party. So obviously, if you go to a graduation party, you don't wear shorts and a t-shirt. You would need to dress up. Put something nice. A dress, a suit, something very nice, something formal or more formal. Vestirse elegante. Sí, that would be great. Vestirse elegante. So, yes, William, hay una diferencia entre to dress, to get dressed, and to dress up. To dress up, como up, un poco más elegante, up, more formal. Second example, you don't have to dress up for the work party. They said that we could wear jeans and a t-shirt. So something very informal. So if you say to someone, oh, you don't have to dress up, eso quiere decir que no tienes que ponerte un vestido o algo muy formal, muy elegante. Just put jeans and a t-shirt and you're good to go. Yes, t-shirt and Bermudas. The elegance of Miami. Yes. I love wearing jeans and a t-shirt, by the way. Dressing up is not my thing, but sometimes we have to. For example, if you go to a wedding, you would dress up. Ir bien vestido, Oscar. Yes. Englishmen dressed up in the old times. Yes, they did. We see them in a lot of movies and they're all dressed up. Let's see one example from a movie.
Yeah, gotta dress up for the parole officer. Yeah, gotta dress up for the parole officer. Yeah, gotta dress up for the parole officer.
So basically what he is saying is that he has got to. No me gusta esa forma, pero eso es muy informal, es una película, ¿ok? But he needs to dress up for the parole officer. Pregunta, ¿qué es un parole officer en español? ¿Cómo se dice? If someone is on parole, that person who is on parole usually sees a parole officer every week, every 2 weeks, every month. Sí, un agente de libertad condicional. Un agent de liberté conditionnelle en francés. Muy, 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 muy similar. Okay? So this guy is saying, one last time.
Yeah, gotta dress up for the parole officer.